Hi, it's Candyland! Yum, yum, yum! And we are featuring tonight the Hostess Donuts, powdered mini donuts. Yum, yum, yum.
I will open it.
Okay, let's open it.
What's that? I want some.
Yes, I'm gonna give you a donut, and you're gonna tell me what it's about, what it's like.
I will take one.
Yes, take that one. I'll take another one too.
Yummy.
Look at these donuts. A lot of sugar. Ooh, some sugar.
Yummy.
These are the ingredients.
That I like it.
Wheat flour. I don't know if it's sugar or flour, but it looks like sugar to me. Let's taste it. Mmm. What you think, Mariam?
Just one.
One? You want another one, or you want just one? You like it?
Yeah, I want another one.
You like it?
I like another one.
So if you want another one, that means you like it a lot. Hostess. And I think you can get these in Target. And that's it for this product. You can rate this product on the bottom of the video. What do you think about it? Let me know your ideas, your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.